want to say a big mahalo to Brother Wade, who does so many wonderful events that we get to be at. And his
Mahalo.
TV show is insane, man.
Thank you so much.
Exactly the same. I don't know. I need some of that blood. Somebody rubbed it on me.
Oh my goodness.
And we want to say a special mahalo to Ali Namamoto, who puts these events on.
Yes.
And is nice enough to call up on the telephone and say, would you like to come? Even though he's known me for like 70 years, yeah, he still invites me. So mahalo for that, yeah. And most importantly, the gentlemen sitting over there who are doing the sound and the staging for us tonight. There was no tent when we came. They went to get them and bring them so that, you know, Kamuela wouldn't mess up his hair. I'm like sugar. I melt in the wet. Did you have a nice time here? We hope you will tell your friends. Tell them come back downtown and visit with all of us. Let's see. In the spirit of what Victoria Ward felt when she was a young woman, let's just all sing together before we go home. How's that? Ken? Hoping that the spirit of Hawaii will fill your dreams with peace and your hearts with love. Kakaʻako e ho, pomai ka I au ka mau me ke aloha kaupani. Mai nā he a he makani e pāhaine. Mau ke aloha, loha, mau ke aloha, mau ke aloha.
Once again, Kona Nui Nights, a big round of applause for Kumuhula Mapuana de Silva, Hālau, Mōhala, ʻIlima, Kamuela Kimokeo, and Jerry Santos.